guys, hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to see a Mochi haul. Recently I bought 3 pair of footwear from Mochi, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So yeah, let's begin the video without any further blabbering. Mochi is available on Amazon. I bought all of these footwear from Amazon. So yeah, so let me begin with the first one, which is one of my favorite. This is the look at that color, you guys. Look at that bling. I'm loving it, guys. I'm totally in love with this. This is a rose gold slides. I bought 2 slides and 1 heel, and this is one of them. This footwear is started with these blingy stones on top of it. It is fully covered. The top part is fully covered with blingy stones, which is rose gold in color. The shine, the bling, the sparkle is so beautiful. I ordered my usual size and it does fit me perfectly. I'm in the size 5 UK or 38 euro. This is also available in golden color, but I picked up the rose gold one because I thought the golden would be too much, because I would like to pair this up with jeans also. When you wanted to add the pop of a bling to your outfit, a pop of a sparkle to your outfit, you can definitely try this one with your jeans or t-shirts. Just wear plain t-shirt or jean and put this on, and that's gonna look fabulous. Whenever I wanted to buy a pair of heels, I only trust Mochi. I have already owned a pair of heels from Mochi, and that was very comfortable. It did not hurt my ankle, it did not hurt my hip. I can never wear heels, but when I bought Mochi heels, it changed my entire footwear game. So this is the second pair of footwear. This is a pair of heel. The strap has this holographic design to it, and the base is in light brown in color, shiny light brown. You can also call this as vintage gold color. I bought this footwear especially for this holographic thing. This footwear is available in black and blue and this color, and it has 1.5 inch heel. If you are someone new to heels, if you are someone who's afraid of carrying heels, then definitely try Mochi heel. They are really comfortable. They are not gonna slip. They are really comfortable, guys. 5 stars to Mochi when it comes to heels. They are the best in making heels. So yeah. Moving on to the third one, the final one is this. There's a beautiful pair of slides. This slide is also available in a pink color and a blue color, but I picked up the mustard one because warm colors can go with my kind of outfits, and all of these 3 footwears that you saw in this video are gonna match your entire wardrobe. And this is a beautiful slides, and also you could see that embroidery detailing going on. Mustard and sky blue colored embroidery detail, which is of very good quality, guys. I'm sure this is gonna last really long. You can wear this beautiful slides to a beachy vacation, holiday and all of that. Even for a brunch, this would look so good with a jean and a t-shirt. This one, done. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and this is the back of it, and I'm in the size 38 euro and 5 UK. I will leave all the links in the description box. If you want to try it, do check them out. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.